Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy Jamaican style ackee and saltfish? Just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So this is what the canned ackee and the saltfish looks like, but your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Saltfish is very salty, so we have to boil it to get most of the salt out. I'm actually gonna boil it 3 times, each time for about 10 minutes. And after each boil, I'm going to rinse it off with cool water, put it back in the same pot and reboil it for a total of 3 times. While the saltfish is boiling, let's chop up some veggies. Saltfish is also called codfish, by the way. Now let's chop up some onions, thyme, multicolored bell peppers, garlic, scallions, and tomatoes. So now I have boiled the codfish 3 times, and now I'm just gonna break it up with my fingers. Kind of break it up into kind of like bite-sized pieces. Please forgive my poor video quality. I wasn't at home when I recorded this video. I was actually at my aunt's house. Now I have the veggies in a pan with some coconut oil, and the fire is on medium. Ackee and saltfish is one of those dishes where you go light with the seasonings because you just want to allow all the delicious flavors of the natural ingredients to shine through. And there's still some salt left in the saltfish, so we don't need to add any additional salt. I'm just going in with some fresh cracked black pepper. And also a little garlic powder that I added off camera. Now I have sauteed the veggies for about 5 minutes, and now it's time to add in the saltfish. Being that we already boiled the saltfish, we only have to cook it here for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in the ackee. Just be sure to drain the liquid from the can and rinse the ackee off really well with hot water. If you didn't know, ackee is actually a fruit grown in Jamaica, and ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. Oh, you knew that already? I lie you a tell. Ackee looks something like scrambled eggs, and it tastes a little similar to it too. And it doesn't have to cook long. Basically, we just want to heat it up for about 1 or 2 minutes and get everything all well combined and let all the flavors blend. But it is delicate, so you kind of like want to fold the vegetables into it as to try and not break up the ackee too much. And after it's all heated up, it's done. Want to see the end result? Wait, man.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yeah, man. This ackee and saltfish came out so good. It just reminded me of all the times visiting Jamaica. We would tear this up at breakfast time with some fried dumplings and yellow bananas. Baby, if you never had it, you gotta try it. From my yard to yours. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.